You work your way out of poverty, out of struggle, out of a life you promised yourself you would never go back to. But there's the truth no one talks about. Just because you made it out doesn't mean you're free. Because sometimes when one person rises, the whole family holds on. Let me tell you about someone. His name is Daniel. Daniel didn't have options. He had responsibilities. During the day, he worked. At night, he studied. No sleep, no shortcuts, no safety net. Habang yung iba nagpapahinga, siya tuloy-tuloy lang. Kasi alam niya, siya ang pag-asa. And eventually, it paid off, right? He got a job. He built a career. He changed his life. Pero kasabay ng pag-angat niya, dumami rin ang umaasa sa kanya. He didn't volunteer, but he became the breadwinner. He became the emergency fund, the backup plan, the solution to every problem. At sa simula, okay lang. Because it feels good to give. It feels right to help. Pero habang tumatagal, you start losing something. Not your money, yourself. Before we go deeper, this is not about blaming the family at hindi rin ito tungkol sa paglayo o pagtalikod. Family matters. Helping matters. Utang na loob, totoo yan, but even love needs to be healthy. And that's what this conversation is about. Some days, you're the hero. But the moment you say, I can't, suddenly, you are the villain. Ang damot mo na. Nagbago ka na, nakalimot ka na. And you sit there thinking, when did my love become an obligation? To the breadwinner, you are not wrong for helping, but you are not also meant to carry everything. Hindi mo responsibilidad ang bumbuhay ng lahat, kahit pamilya mo pa sila. And to the family, if you truly love the person helping you, don't make them your only plan. Hindi sila bangko, hindi sila habang buhay na sagot sa lahat. They are human, napapagod din, may limitasyon din, may sarili ring pangarap. Real love supports but it also grows. Yes, tumulong siya, but you also try. Yes, he lifted you up, but you learn to stand. Because the goal is not dependency, the goal is dignity. To the breadwinner, you are allowed to set boundaries. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to build the life that is yours. To the family, gratitude is not just words, it's growth. Success is not just escaping poverty. It's building a life where no one has to be sacrificed, not even you. So if you made it out, help with love, but live with wisdom. At kung ikaw naman ang tinutulungan, don't just receive. Grow and stand and rise. Because real family doesn't create one hero. It creates many strong people. Ako si Kuya Rod, and this is Real Talk.